Good morning.
Morning.
Day 26. It is windy. Yeah, this is a little bit of a rough spot. I know we mentioned we had to camp outside of a state park boundary, so we're pretty much the last marked site that you can camp at before you get to that boundary, which is a couple miles from here. It was on a sandy slope with a lot of wind, so our tent is...
And a lot of sand.
Yeah, a lot of sand is being blown everywhere. We woke up with sandy covered quilts and pads, which is not always fun, so it is what it is.
I'm stoked.
No, but...
Even my spoon is covered in sand.
Yeah, so currently we're just finishing up, getting ready. Oh, this tent's pushing my phone.
Yeah,
the tent is...
It's calm now.
This is like right here.
Seize the moment.
I don't even have to extend. This should be all the way. So, drinking caffeine and nearly ready to go. So.
Mm-hmm. Let's get going.
Yeah, let's get going. McDonald's we come. All right, we just stopped. Jared has to fix his shoes. Just put all of our stuff into our Nylofoam pack liners because that cloud is right in our direction.
It's blowing mist already.
Yeah, blowing mist. You can see the wind is pretty ferocious right now. Yeah, so just have to put our pack liners in to protect all of our gear. If you don't know what a pack liner is, it's a plastic Nylofoam thing that we put on the inside of our bag. It's like a trash bag, but plastic. Super lightweight that we can put in our bag and then stuff everything inside of it to protect it from the water because our bags aren't fully waterproof. They're water resistant to an extent, but if we got soaked on, everything would get wet out. So put everything in to protect it. Now we got our raincoats and gear ready and about to tackle this storm that was unexpected. So yeah, I'll check back in after we get some miles in.
Ooh, it is windy today. Check out the water on Silverwood Lake. It's super choppy. There's a little break in the wind, just where I can record. Yeah, rough start to the day. It's not quite raining, but it's misting sideways. And as you can see, very dark clouds and very windy. Look at this plant bent sideways. Just came out of Silverwood Lake. Check out how much water is flowing in. It's crazy. It's like a rapid right there. Pretty nuts. There's so much water.
All right. Took a break, making some mashed potatoes, and Jared's trying the famous ramen bomb.
Yeah.
Getting all of our stuff ready. We're at some campsite past Silverwood Lake, like 7 miles from where we camped. It's got benches, trash can, which is amazing, water right there, and cover. Couldn't ask for a better break spot, so I'm looking forward to offloading all of our trash that we didn't need anymore.
Do you want the baby bills?
I'm good. But yeah, now I made mashed potatoes and bacon. Wanted something different. Yeah, it looks yummy. Can't wait to eat. All right, so we are outside REI. Jared and I just did a big haul of stuff.
Got the Rapide SL. Oh, it's backwards on there.
Oh, it's backwards on there, but yes, the Rapide SL insulated Big Agnes pad.
4.2 R value, so it's like just as good as the Nemo Tensor, except for it's $50 cheaper.
Yeah, we had the Nemo Tensor insulated wide pad. He had the long wide and I had the regular wide. His birthday is in a couple of days, so I got him a new pad that is narrower and shorter for his birthday, so we can fit in our tent a little bit better. Our pads are really wide in the tent and gives us like 2-3 inches, maybe max on the sides, which is really tight, especially with the new tent that we have. So got him a new pad, and then I also got a new pad because mine still seems to be slowly leaking, not fully, but a little bit, which is kind of a bust, and unfortunately decided to not deal with a deflating pad constantly, and I'm gonna try out a smaller pad as well. Hopefully that will help out with the issues. But yeah, got a new loadout, got some new shoes, both of us. Got some Hokas, Speed Goats, back to Old Faithful. Yeah, we love our Speed Goats and are very excited to both be in them.
Yep. Old Faithful.
Old Faithful's Hoka.
Fits the soccer feet better.
Yeah, fits soccer feet better. We both played soccer for most of our life, so I've got narrow feet, so does he, and just seems to fit a little bit better. And then yeah, I got a few other things in here. Got some meals and some new liners. It was a good loadout. A little pricey, but unfortunately, that's the name of the game. All right, lunch number 2. Could not resist. They have this new lemonade, some kind of frozen lemonade. It looks so good. I love food. That also leads to today, which we were looking at weather reports, and looks like Baden-Powell is getting pummeled with some cold air. We're talking like
wind, snow,
yeah,
single-digit temperatures. Like Mount Baden-Powell summit is supposed to be 0 degrees,
or feels
with
like
the wind chill.
Yeah,
in the early morning, the day we're supposed to get there.
Yeah,
which
so
we're totally unprepared for, because yeah, that's full-blown winter. That's not spring or summer.
Yeah, it's a nasty winter storm. There's a lot of snow up there, and you know, we don't have all of our actual winter gear. We don't have our spikes anymore. We sent those home. Unfortunately, a storm was not in the forecast when we had looked last. So we are making the decision, which it seems like a lot of other hikers are also making a decision, to either do a road walk or go to Islip, right? Islip?
Yeah, Islip Saddle or...
Yeah, Islip Saddle, and then starting from there. And to be honest, it actually works out for us, because we will come back and do the Silverwood Lake portion, and including the I-15 to Wrightwood that's closed, and just do a huge stretch to finish it off.
And the Baden-Powell part.
And that's what I'm saying. And the Baden-Powell part. So it all actually works out, because we'll come back and do that one whole section in like a nice chunk. So we get to connect our footsteps.
And it's close to home. I grew up in Orange County. And so hopefully if some friends will be able to join me, that'd be really cool. Or join us. Yeah,
Evan wants to do the Cajon Pass portion of it and do that with us, so that'll be fun. So if we have other friends who want to join us, that'll be super fun too. Which coming back here in the warmer months will be really nice. So excited to come back here and finish this part up at the end, but got to think about moving forward. It also helps us get to the Sierras a little bit quicker, because that's what we want to do. We want to get there sooner. Yeah, bug massages. They're just like full collapse over.
Yeah, seriously.
That feel nice.
Poodle Dog everywhere on this ridge. Yikes. Frosted trees in May 3rd, right? May 3rd? Yep. Pretty crazy. Road walking. Finally back on trail after our highway to road walk. And yeah, it's nice. Feels good on the feet.
Hello. Day 27. Have not done much filming since last night and today. It's like mid-afternoon. We had to figure out some logistical things, and there's a big storm coming in tonight, and it's like near feeling 0 temps up at Baden Powell. So we went with a group to Islip Saddle, do a road walk and get back on trail, which seems like a lot of hikers have been doing this. It's sketchy conditions. We don't have our spikes, so didn't want to risk going up there without our equipment and our winter gear, especially.
It's not gonna get above freezing.
Yeah, it wasn't gonna.
Reached Baden Powell.
Yeah.
It's super sketchy with the spikes.
So super sketch, but so we are on trail, and funny enough, the trail angel that picked us up, thank you Hawk, had our friends in the car with them, so that was a fun car ride that we got to do and hang out with them for the day and hike with them, and we're gonna camp with them too. So yeah, not a bad day, about a 14 mile day out of town, and yeah, we'll see how the storm fares. We've been hearing mixed reviews about it being 1 inch, 4 inches, maybe up to 11 inches now. So we're not really quite sure what to expect. So we shall see.
Sleeping in, I expect to sleep in.
Yeah, sleeping in to wait out the storm. It says this was to stop snowing / raining by like 8, 9, 10. So we're gonna sleep in and wait it out. So yeah, touch base later.